This is an emergency action notification. This is not a test. Important news and instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All cable and broadcast systems will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to their assigned areas. This is WSTN. We will continue to serve the metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
This station is interrupting its broadcast at the request of the United States government to bring you the following message. This is an attack warning. Minutes ago, NORAD detected the launch of 50 intercontinental ballistic missiles from Australia. 49 of these missiles are believed to be armed with tapioca and peanut butter warheads, and the 50th is possibly armed with something scarier, like clowns or spiders. Maybe Justin Bieber. Officials are still unsure. That last missile is, of course, heading to Bangor, Maine, most likely targeted at Stephen King's house. The missiles are on track to impact the following cities within the next 60 minutes. Ballplay, Alabama. Mary's Igloo, Alaska. Three-Way, Arizona. Wiener, Arkansas. Rough and Ready, California. Lubers, Colorado. Essex, Connecticut. Swallow Hill, Delaware. Miccosukee, Florida. Butts, Georgia. Honolulu, Hawaii. Dick Shooter, Idaho. Bodie, Illinois. Floyd's Knobs, Indiana. Balltown, Iowa. Drywood, Kansas. Bigbone, Kentucky. Dry Prong, Louisiana. Bangor, Maine. Blue Ball Village, Maryland. Felchville, Massachusetts. Clam Union, Michigan. Keister, Minnesota. Splunge, Mississippi. Cooter, Missouri. Comertown, Montana. Beaver City, Nebraska. Sugar Bunker, Nevada. Effingham, New Hampshire. Ramtown, New Jersey. Blewett, New Mexico. Butternuts, New York. Climax, North Carolina. Cummings, North Dakota. PP Township, Ohio. Hooker, Oklahoma. Wonker's Corner, Oregon. Intercourse, Pennsylvania. Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Sugartit, South Carolina. Bone Steel, South Dakota. Sweet Lips, Tennessee. Kinkler, Texas. Virgin, Utah. Cozy Corner, Vermont. Short Pump, Virginia. Hum Tulips, Washington. Brohard, West Virginia. Spread Eagle, Wisconsin. Goshen Hole, Wyoming. Officials are urging all citizens within 50 miles of the named locations who are allergic to tapioca or peanuts to take shelter now. Except for the citizens of Bangor, Maine, you folks are screwed. State Department officials are not positive, but they believe the attack was started as a way to protect Australia's reputation for having strange city names, again, except for Bangor. It is guessed they are really just creeped out by Stephen King's novels, and decided to show him the real-life horrors living in Australia. This is the emergency alert system, reminding all citizens that tapioca and peanut butter are inbound.